Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I am going to be doing some lip swatches of the Tarte Color Splash lipsticks. So I have 5 colors here, and I feel like all of these colors are really nice colors for the fall. So I'm just gonna hop right into the lip swatch video, and then afterwards I will give you my review of them. That is it for the lip swatches. So now I'm just gonna give you my review of it, and I'm gonna kind of compare it to what it says on the Sephora website. So the Sephora website says that this is a long-wearing, pigment-rich lipstick that is offered in an array of creamy shades. Now I do agree that these lipsticks are very creamy. That is really nice. It's really easy to apply them. And it also says that it is a matte color that won't bleed. And I definitely think that it is very matte, and I feel like they look really nice on the lips. It's true, I don't feel like they bleed. I don't really feel like I have to wear a lip liner with them, which is nice. Personally, I feel like they can get a little bit drying. However, like right off the bat, they do feel very comfortable on the lips. I feel that if I apply a lip balm, like a chapstick, or just something that gives my lips a little bit more moisture and then apply the lipstick, I feel like it feels a lot better on the lips. If I don't do that, it can really get, since it is matte, it can get a little bit uncomfortable on the lips. But other than that, I really like them, and I feel like there are a lot of really nice shades, and the shades that I just swatched I feel like are really good for fall, which is what I was looking for. I wanted to get some new fall lip colors, and I feel like this collection does have those options there, as well as a lot of other colors. There are definitely some other ones that I would like to try out. But overall, I really like these lipsticks. So that is it for today's video. I hope that it was helpful. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more from me in the future, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. If you have tried any of these lipsticks, I would love to know which colors or shades you love. So let me know in the comment section below. Other than that, I hope you all have a great rest of your day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.